Hello guys, good morning again. So it's 8:20, so tapos na yung ginawa ko. Pizza nata and ham and cheese. So ito na. So sa school meron ako doon. So itong meron pang gagawin. So madami order. So guys, thank you for watching my videos of Mr. Empanada and all the flavors of empanada. Or if you want order, the order is you call 0995 642 6085. Dito lang po, Quezon City.